Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about another foreign contractor getting $1 billion project in Jamaica. Now today we're going to talk about the Accelerated Bridge Program, and one of the largest contractors in the UK, Legion Aviation, got a $16 billion contract to build bridges or repair bridges in Jamaica. Now, the Accelerated Bridge Program is a major Government of Jamaica initiative aimed at replacing and upgrading dozens of aging and unsafe bridges across the island. Many of these structures are over 100 years old and can no longer safely carry modern traffic or withstand extreme weather. The program is designed to improve road safety, strengthen community connections, and support economic activity, especially in rural areas. Alright, now guys, look at the video. The bridge on the left is the old bridge, a two-lane bridge by Maypen. I'm not sure what the name of that bridge is. I don't know if it's the Maypen Bridge. And then the bridge on the right is a new four-lane bridge built by China Harbour Engineering Company. It's a Rio Mino Bridge. You see the difference? So the bridge on the right is the kind of bridge that they're going to be building, upgrading, and replacing the old bridges on the left. The project targets about 55 bridges and is valued at approximately $16 billion. This level of investment highlights the importance the government places on modern climate-resilient infrastructure. Implementation is being carried out through a partnership between Jamaican authorities and international contractors. The National Works Agency oversees the technical aspects, while Legion Aviation and Infrastructure Limited, a UK-based firm, serves as the principal contractor responsible for construction and installation. Acro Global Limited supplies modular bridge components, allowing faster installation and reduced disruption compared to traditional methods. Overall, the Accelerated Bridge Program represents a significant step towards safer roads, stronger connectivity, and long-term national development, backed by a multi-billion-dollar investment in Jamaica's future. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So they are going to be using modular bridges, so they don't have to take months to build the bridge from the ground up and then cast it. They're just going to basically assemble the different pieces. So that will move much faster. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we will be giving you updates on all the bridges that they are constructing. Now, it's one bridge that we can mention that's not being upgraded is the flat bridge, the oldest bridge in Jamaica. Now, you see this bridge in the video, the old bridge. It's two lanes. Traffic flows freely. Flat bridge, single lane traffic. But we'll talk about that in another video. But flat bridge is not one of the 55 bridges to be upgraded. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.